What's going on, YouTube? We live with it. We live with it. What's going on? I'm in a profitable trade. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. Things are looking up. And yeah, let's get going. Let's get started on this. You know what I should have done? I should have went to go get my little computer so I can monitor. I'll do that a little bit later. But I do like to monitor my live stats. So maybe I'll do it down here. Let me see how that's about to look for me. All right, we're gonna do this, and then what we'll do is we'll mute it out. What we'll do is, and that way I can see all my stats down here. But anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Um, and I want to talk to you guys about this profitable trade. And yeah, let's get into it. So, sorry, I had to get that set up down there. I'm watching my live at the same time just to make sure things are well. Um, so I'm thinking we're going to come down a lot more. I'm going to mend my stop loss. So that's one of the things that I'm working on or planning on working on is, mending that and bringing that down to where if I do come down and take a loss, like if it does like run back up, it won't be as big as a loss as this was. So I'm going to do it right here on my live. I'm going to bring this down. I was thinking about right here, 16.9, and that's just for right now. So I have to go confirm. Boom. So now this is my new stop loss. If it does take me out, then it takes me out. But I think prices may actually stay below this blue line. I've been in this trade for 9 days now. So 9 days. Remember when I got into this trade, I took some profits right here. I made $160 right here. Then I jumped out of the trade because I said that I knew we may go up, but I didn't know it was going to go up this much. So I got back in when we retested right here. And then that actually ended up being support again. So I was trapped in this trade throughout this whole entire time. Actually broke down out of this, and then now we're acting as resistance over here. So you see prices being rejected. There might even be another move. So if I go to the 1 hour, what I'm thinking may happen, we may see ourselves climb back up and do another retest. So if we do a retest right here, that'd be cool. That'd be another entry for people that want to get in, or a way that I can add to my entry, because initially I wanted to trade as though it was one Bitcoin. And right now I'm trading, let me see, I think at a little over half a Bitcoin. Yeah, right here. So almost 60% a Bitcoin, which is, still, it's not bad. It's really not bad. But, if the trade is going my direction and we actually take a fall down to my targets, I'll make a lot more money in a bigger trade. It's a bigger risk. It's definitely a bigger risk, but in my opinion, it can be pretty rewarding if you're doing it correctly and if you're managing your risks. If we just continue down, I'll hold my trade. I might end up taking some profits right here and then wait to see what's going to happen. Like if we're going to bounce off of it again and maybe, another chance to re-enter, kind of like I did over here. But yeah, it's just kind of crazy that we were in this trade for that long and I wasn't here. I just got back here to set my setup up. So, I mean, even me, you see how I'm dressed, I wanted to get online. I haven't made a YouTube video in over a week because when I did make that video, I was preparing. I was ready to go pack. I flew out to California, and then they delayed my flight. A lot of stuff happened, but I'm here now. And it's just funny, we're still in the same trade. I wanted to be able to update you guys. I took my laptop with me, but I didn't have a good of a stable enough connection for me to go live. And I just said I'll do it when I get back. Real quick, there's about 7 of you guys watching. If you guys don't mind pressing that like button, that's how we get new viewers to my channel. So I would absolutely love that if you guys press that. And leave a comment or two. Leave a comment or two. I mean, it'd be nice to hear from y'all. But look at this coming down right now. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. The more this comes down, the more in profits I am. So, again, we're making profits right here on the live. If I spot another entry while we're on the live, I will tell you guys so you guys can get in with me if you want to. But you see the trades. They're speaking for themselves. Again, look, I told you I've only been in 3 trades, 2 of which I've closed out and in profits, and 1 of which I'm still in. So this is where we are with it, y'all. This is where we are with it. The account is growing. You guys are watching it here on live. You can go back and look at the previous videos. Even when I first took the trade and I realized I was moving a little too fast, I was a little too hasty, and I thought I was going to lose the trade. Um, even when that was going on, um, that video's up there. I keep everything up there. I don't take anything down. So that's the benefit of my YouTube to me, is to be able, like, being able to go back and look at what I was talking about in that time, what I actually saw in that time, what made me, execute a trade and things like that. Look at this. The profits are rolling in, y'all. They're coming in. They're coming in. I'm excited about it. You don't want to get too emotional about it, though. Leave your emotions out of it, because just as much as I'm making profits, that can change very, very fast. And if you don't get a grip on your emotion, you start getting greedy, or you start getting anxious. You know what I mean? So I just rather see things play out. If I was anxious, I would have been able to get out when we came down right here and made another retest. It hit my entry point. I was able to get out if I wanted to. And I did see it kind of at the last minute when we were starting to go back up, but I decided I wanted to hold the trade. So, I mean, that was just, I did think that we were going to come down more, even though the pattern was looking like it was coming against me. I mean, you can see the pattern. This is on the 1 hour. This pattern was shaping to be more of a bullish pattern and end up being a bearish scenario. So that kind of played out in my favor. But you can see this right here, this ascending triangle usually breaks to the upside, and this would have been said target. Only sad thing is my stop loss was right here. So I would have been kicked out of the trade. And not only just kicked out, I would have lost money in this trade, but I decided to hold on, and look what happened. Price actually broke beneath, another retest, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I stuck with my trade, you guys. I didn't give up on my trade, and I'm glad I didn't, But again, there is such thing as risk management. So if you see something like this, I didn't really have enough time to kind of analyze it the way I wanted to with my situation in California. But when you see something, that may be potential against your trade and may be more risky, if you wanted to change your stop loss, you could have. But imagine if I did mend it and just stop myself out, and then this happened. You know what I mean? That's just crazy. I took a loss for no reason, when if I would have just stuck to my initial trade like I have been doing, that kept me in this trade for like 9 days straight, then things would have been good. So patience plays a factor. And this is just one of those lessons. I'm so glad. So very glad that, we're able to go over one of those lessons. It's a tough one. It's a tough one, but, we were able to do that. Anyway, y'all. So look, I want to show you this. So when I was on my my Instagram, my TikTok live, I was showing people that I did, I made a course, I made all these graphics and was typing stuff in. I mean, it's really targeted at beginners who doesn't, people that don't know how to really read the charts or understand it yet. And, I did used to sell the course. I mean, it did take me a while to create, but I decided I want to release the course for free on my YouTube. And all people have to do is, come and watch a YouTube video, subscribe, watch, give free knowledge. And I went into detail. So for people that are completely new, I went into detail. As you can see, these slides were not, I feel like they had a lot of good information. I made sure I wasn't writing paragraphs. I wanted to show diagrams and have people, kind of understand it more. So, and everything, I don't know. I wanted to make sure it was clean. I made all these graphics myself. As you can see, this is Canva. So this is the actual editor. That's why everything is highlighting like this. Like this is like, I put these graphics together, clipped these charts. I did some, screenshots and screen grabs from my computer and all that. I even have videos. Like I had a full blown course, but it's really designed for people that are brand new at it. And then also showing you what I use, TradingView, and how I get into it, how I set up certain indicators and what to look for, because some people need it. Some people need it not just for trading, but some people need it just to have an understanding of the entire, space. Like if you want to be an investor, how do you know where to take some profits? You get what I'm saying? So as you can see, I did put a lot of attention and a lot of detail into this. So I'm going to put it all into a video. I'm going to figure out how I can do that. Maybe I'll read it. So maybe I'll do it like an audiobook. Maybe I'll pay somebody. I don't really have a good reading voice. So I'm thinking about taking all these slides. I'm going to download them and maybe pay somebody to kind of make a voiceover video. And all they're doing is reading it and then going through it. And the slides change as they get to the next one. And then people get to, watch that video and pause it and play it. And I will have to actually set it up on YouTube where the different sections are. So every time we get a new section, you know what I mean, then we'll talk about it. But look, it was pretty detailed. I was putting my all into it. I was definitely putting my all into it and trying to showcase, you know, and teach people. So once we get this video out, I'll let you guys know. It'll be on the YouTube, and hopefully that brings a lot of views and watch hours to the channel, and we'll do it that way. But back to the trade. Let's see what's going on. All right, still $60 in profits. Well, roughly $50 in profits. Let me know what you guys think about that. I haven't seen a single comment. I mean, say something, y'all. I feel like I'm here by myself. Nice. We'll be checking those out. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to literally post it and go crazy on my TikTok. I'm going to make like 4 posts back to back when I get the video done. It's going to cost me money to do it because I'm going to pay somebody for the voiceover. Not that I don't like my voice. There are people that's going to be able to do it much clearer, like people that do voiceovers. And shoot, sometimes I speak too fast, stumble over my words because there's a lot I want to say. And I guess my brain feel like there's not enough time. So I don't know. I'd rather have somebody else do it. But it's going to be beautiful, and the graphics are there, and everything is there. Everything is there. So the way I trade, I just literally, it's really based on what I put in that course as far as just understanding the charts. And then I'm gonna make a secondary video about my actual strategy. Or what I would do is, instead of making a video about my strategy, I will offer something to my subscribers. So maybe I'll have a special link for people that are subscribed to me, not ones that can just watch me and then dip, but people that are actually subscribed to me. I'll have like a special link for people can come and actually learn the strategy. How are you gaining while the market is going down? So I'm shorting the market. That's why. So the lower this goes down, the more money I make. I got into a short position. This is on Femix. It's on a website called Femix, and that's how I'm making money when it's going down. I did kind of explain shorting on my previous live because some people didn't understand the concept of it. But to keep it quick and to make it simple, when you short the market, you pretty much borrowed the Bitcoin. Let's say for Bitcoin, you borrowed it and you sold it to somebody that's trying to buy, and then now you have to pay that. You have to get that same Bitcoin back and turn it back in. So if I bought Bitcoin for $100 and I immediately sold it for $100, I now have $100. And now let's say the person that I borrowed the Bitcoin from says, hey, I need my Bitcoin back. If that price is now $80, I buy Bitcoin at $80, give them their Bitcoin back, and I pocket the difference. And that's what shorting is. So, when I close this trade, I got to give back the same amount of Bitcoin. But since I'm buying it in at cheaper prices because the price is falling, the difference is shown as how much money I'm making. Now, if the opposite things happen, like if Bitcoin runs up and I have to close this trade, I have to return that Bitcoin and I have to buy it back at a higher price than I bought, now I'm coming out of the pocket and I'm losing money. So that's how that looks. Right now, this short trade is seeming to be profitable for me, considering the fact that majority of the time, so since I've been in this trade, I was actually not profitable because I got in a little too hasty. But it's okay. Like, look at this. All this right here, I wasn't making money. All of this right here, I wasn't making money. I was actually in the negative. A couple of times where it evened me out a bit, but I did not get out of my trade. And you can see the times that price, got rejected right here before actually, breaking down. So I'm profitable now and I'm happy. I'm contemplating on closing the trade right here and maybe looking for a re-entry. And if I do that, I would definitely go live to let people know where I'm looking at for a new entry point, just in case. Or I might just hold it. If we break down past it, there's a good chance that we are going to go lower. So I'm just trying to decide what I want to do. But right now, price is currently in this channel. I'm going to go look at the 4 hour. I do care about that as well and see where this closes. It's really this that I'm watching. I want to see what happens with this candle. Or if we get supported in here, if we don't close below this area right here, this area of support, then I'm going to think that we're going to maybe retest right over here. So I'm just going to have to watch it. But I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to see if we come through like we did last time, but if we actually get that close underneath it. Shorting, got it, smart. I see now. To be honest, I've never heard of shorting, and we'll be looking into the strategy. Yeah, yeah, you can short, as you can see right here. It's pretty simple. So you do a short when you think prices are going to go down, and you do a long, which is a buy when you think prices are going to go up, and make money when the market goes down or up. Make if you develop a strategy, then um, you'll be able to make money regardless of the market conditions. Of course, it's not easy to, I guess, quote unquote, predict the market, but if you again develop a strategy and you do it day by day, you know what I'm saying? Like I do my strategy day by day. I'm not. I do swing trades sometimes, but not when I'm in highly leveraged positions. I would have to have like a decent chunk of money in the market to do a swing trade, and make sure that I'm way covered, so I don't get liquidated or wrecked. But any kind of leverage trades, I don't really like to stay in forever. I mean, this is kind of crazy that I stayed in this long. Yeah, I mean, I've been paying attention to that too. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm not really a heavy fundamental guy. So, but that doesn't mean that it's not important. I'm just not a heavy fundamental guy. It's crazy. Even when things happen, so even when we get things that swing the markets in certain directions, it still tend to follow and respect the rules and the trends of the chart. So, yeah, but I'm just in it for those brief moments, and yeah, I can't wait to see what's going to happen with this. I mean, we got another hour and 39 minutes, and if you look at the RSI, we're stepping our foot into oversold territory, just like we did over here. I mean, the RSI is not the main indicator to care about, but you should pay attention to it. It's just further letting me know that there's a good chance that throughout the day we're gonna find ourselves going back up, maybe doing a retest, and then maybe coming down lower. But I'm watching it. I mean, I'm still contemplating on getting out of the trade right here. I do think that there's going to be some sort of reaction. So let's look at the daily too. Let's just see. Look how the daily looks. Look at that. Got to see what's going to happen. Come on, bring us down. Bring us down. It'd be amazing to see it just plummet right here on the live. This just completely explode down. Support gives out because you see we got support here and we got support here. A little bit of support here if you extend it out. But it'll be absolutely beautiful to see that support just give out. Come on, bring down the prices. That's the direction we were heading anyway. 2 red days right here, broken out of this little trend. The trend looks better on a lower time frame, obviously. But let's go. I feel like I should kick on some music, put my feet up, and just watch this. I feel like I should be staring at this the whole time. I'm thinking about getting the third screen and sharing, so that way I can have this on a full screen, and then I can use the third screen to snip out this and place it on here. I mean, I'm really contemplating that. I wonder if I can even. I might be able to do it on here. I might be able to do it. How could I do that? How can I do that? I'll figure it out. Anyway, for now, let's just full screen it. Let me know if I should put on some lo-fi tunes so we can watch this while it goes. Man, I wish there was a tool that showed your live trades while the chart's full screened. So, how was everybody's holidays? How's everybody's Christmas or whatever you celebrate? I hope it was all good for everybody. I've been missing my live, but I was very, very happy to spend time with my family and see my family. So, I'm not going to complain about that. Anybody got anything to say? I appreciate Sean talking the whole time, but out of the viewers we have here, no one else at least said hi or something. Man, I want to see what's going to happen with this, y'all. So what do y'all think? Do you think it's going to break down from here? Oh, yeah, Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need to enable that. I have a little system that I put up. Let me see. Getting on my computer so I can see better. Oh, okay. So on the phone, if you go to your settings, you should be able to make it clear. What's going on? I got more people coming. I got more people coming in. Let's go. You guys want to see me make money? Y'all want to make money with me? If it just shoots down and starts coming down like crazy, I might even move this take profit. I might even move it and just chase it down with the stop loss and make that a stop profit. Because I do think if we come down from this support level, I think we're going to just, kind of shoot down. The next candle is going to come down heavy. I do feel like that. I feel like it could happen with this candle, like a move like this. You know what I mean? But I do feel like if it, breaks this support, maybe we have to wait. Maybe we need a few days to kind of figure out what's going on here. But I have a feeling we just, once we do break the support, we're going to come down heavy. And that's why I have a take profit. I don't want to miss it. I don't want it to just come down, get in there, and then turn around on me, and I missed out on the trade. I missed out on the profits. I'm going to nab it. And if it just keeps coming down, again, I'm going to wait for that entry point. Dang, I could not imagine being in a live trade, a live long trade for as long as I've been, considering the overall trend of the market too. That's what I was telling somebody. I know they were looking at a potential long trade, but I think it was right around here somewhere, but I could not imagine that. Yeah, I mean, I do think we're going down. I mean, just got to see what's going on. I see some more of you guys coming in. Do me a favor, just press that like button. Just hit that like button for me real quick. That's definitely helpful. And it alert people to watching these lives. And I plan on making a video later today too. Excuse me, y'all. So where are we at with the account? We're in the 700s. If I close, we'll be in the 700s. That's great. Yep. This is Femix. I'm going to leave a referral link in my descriptions too from now on, and I'm going to let people know. So I'm going to build myself a decent description where I have everything, the links to everything I'm talking about, and all the links to my socials and everything, so I can paste it on every live and every video that I post. So there's still a lot of things that I want to do. I wanted to do that when I first got back, and since my flight was delayed and everything, and I'm just now getting back today, I guess we're going to do it today. So that's one of the goals. It's one of the things I got to accomplish. Come on, let's go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. So let me take a look at some of the other things. Look at this. It just looks like it wants to come down. It just looks like it wants to come down. I just know it. I just know we're going to come down pretty hard. Y'all, I'm telling you, I know it. I know it. No matter which chart I look at, it just had the retest. I mean, all right. So let's go look at some of my other coins while we're here. I want to see HBAR because I know that's going to look at that. I know that's making lower lows. Look how clean of a retest this was. That was a clean retest. I did say we're going to have some lower lows coming in. Look at this. I think we're going to come down here. Now, this is one of the assets that I'm actually, heavily invested in. So, and I keep accumulating it. And I know people are like, why would you accumulate it when it's going down? Well, the thing is, none of us know where the bottom is. We can't predict the bottom, and I'm in it for the long haul. Now, here's the sad reality about crypto in general. With the way things are going, there's going to be a lot of cryptos that die. Even some of the top projects that we see that are really, really doing good, that has a lot of projects built on it, we're watching value just plummet and fall out of some of these. And I just feel like, I'm investing in something that we're going to not have opportunity to invest in, in the future, because once regulations set in, they're going to block a lot of these cryptos from being in, from being just as easy to invest in as they are now. So I'm definitely stacking up on this, moving it over to my ledger, and staking it so I can make more money on it. Picked up a nice short on that dent, pump and dump going on right now. Okay. Okay, on Dent. Okay, okay, okay. Nice trade, nice trade. I can't wait till we can get to a point where we can share each other, like share the trades. I'm gonna set up like a spot where we can all go live and do that and like share trades. I would love to see people's trades too. Um, Let me see. XLM was another one that I was talking about. Like we talked about this when it was coming down. It broke down out of this with heavy momentum, and it's still trading down. Anybody that wants to invest in XLM, which I think this is gonna be a really really big one too. Again, utility tokens are gonna shine on this next bull run, and the opportunities are just insane. So this one I'm looking at that VeChain. Let me see how VeChain's doing. Like a lot of these are coming down. Obviously, some of them have hit my targets and crushed them. I mean, this target is kind of down there for me, but like this, I expected this. And I have a special bag on the side waiting to accumulate and get in right here. Can we still see lows? Yes, for sure. But again, I definitely expected that. Um, Let me see. XRP has been holding. It's not moving down as much as some of these other coins. I mean, it's kind of found some support down here in this region. So, I mean, this is kind of where we are with XRP. I'm still accumulating, but I'm accumulating more of HBAR and some of the tokens in the Hedera ecosystem. That's where majority of my money has been going, and then just been focusing on my trades. I've been focusing on my trades because see, like I'm waiting now. I'm waiting for this to come down lower. I think it will. Your strategy is kind of like craps in Vegas, betting on the house. Hey, you know want to know something? I'm gonna tell you something. I'm actually really good in craps. When I go gamble, craps is the only game I play. I tried the roulette. I'm not really into the card games and stuff like that. But I actually shoot craps and I'm actually really good at it. I don't know how, but I'm good at it. At worst, I've done at the craps table is even myself out and I dipped. But I haven't really taken an actual like total loss or anything at the craps table. Oh, this is kind of going back up. Okay. Yeah, I haven't done that. Bet on the past to come. I mean, it really depends. I mean, I end up choosing right. For some reason, I end up choosing right when I bet on the past. I mean, and then me, even when I'm rolling the dice, I sometimes keep a streak. I don't know why I have a streak. So when I'm on the dice, I literally fill up the table. I fill up the table. I think my highest streak was, I want to say 31. I mean, but to me, I think that's pretty good. I made a lot of money, and then people kept like giving me money. They're like, yeah, I'm gonna give him money, and they was giving paying money to the shooter. You know what I'm saying? Paying money to the shooter, paying money to the shooter. They kept doing it, and I had the table going. And the funny thing is, what happened was I was like, all right, I'm about to leave. I was literally about to leave Vegas, and I said, all right, I think I had like, I don't know, like $100 on me. I found a beautiful $10 table, put it in and started playing. And when the dice came to me, I did what I had to do. There was one guy that was already in a streak that made me some money, so I felt good about it. I think I went up to like $500 within that. So I said, you know what? When I get on the dice, I'm going all in. I put the money in and I went berserk. That was my best run ever. I will never forget it. And I went absolutely berserk. And 31 streak. I want to say 31 was my streak. And people were going crazy. People were hype. I stole everybody from the other tables. There were other tables. There was even a cheaper table, $5 table. Where was I? I think I was like downtown area. I wasn't even on the strip. I was downtown. The strip prices are like $50 for the table. I don't know what they are now, but man, it was so good. I don't know. Luck was with me. I went home with a lot of money in my pocket. I was happy. Ended up buying my kids some things. And I got this painting that I wanted that I no longer have. I'm sad about, but I got this piece of art that I saw that I was like, I had to have it. And yeah, I'm not even a big art guy, but I had the money for it. And the art spoke to me, and I was like, hey, I wouldn't have had this money if I didn't play. So anyway, enough of the gamble talk. But that was great for me. By the way, I see Roddy said you should make a Discord server. I do have a Discord server, you guys. I'm going to link all that information. I'm going to link it all in the bio. So I'm starting to be more interactive in it. I used to be more interactive in it. Then things kind of died down. Of course, when people, crypto started going down. People started, I guess getting away from it, but I still trade. And for people that want to trade with me, join and, share their trades and all that, I have that. As a matter of fact, let me see. Did I ever put the Discord on this computer? Oh, dude, have Discord on this computer. Let me see something. Because maybe I'll share that link in the comments. You guys can join right now. But again, there's not many people in there, but how many people are in here right now? I've got about 300 members in here. But it's been dry, but we're going to wake it back up. We're going to wake it back up. I'm going to share the link right now. I'm going to see if I can paste it in the comments. We're going to get you guys in here for those that are watching that are interested right now. Let me see. We're going to go here. Invite people. Okay. Okay. Let me see you guys come in. I'm going to go to the welcome screen as you guys join in. And then, talk on here, you guys. I want you guys to talk. You talk to me, I'll talk to you. You can just hang around the main chat. I have everything linked to my social medias, so you get a notification when I'm going live on there or posting a video. So I just sent that over, and I'll be looking in for you guys to come in. Oh, so somebody came in yesterday. Okay. Nice. So some people are coming to the Discord. Okay. Let me know if that link works for you guys. And then say hi in there too. We're gonna grow this. We're gonna be trading in here, y'all. We're not gonna be just be looking at my trades and my ideas. We're gonna be going over all of our ideas, the different ways we trade, different strategies. Shoot, we might come up with a super strategy that's just profitable for all of us. That'd be great. And also ways to help beginners, everything. Look how small this looks. Come on, Bitcoin. What you doing? What you doing? I promise you look like you want to break down more. If you do, first target's here. Second target's way down here. Can you imagine if it just was to break down right here and started to plummet? I mean, shoot down. Damn, that'd be crazy. That'd be absolutely crazy. Okay, I see you got in, Roddy. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome. Welcome. Y'all can see, look. There we go. Let's make this live again. Let's go. And then I'm going to get rid of some of these. The gaming chat, off topic, we can get rid of some of these things, but I'm going to need all y'all help to help me grow the Discord and have a nice community. Then you guys can share your trades. Look, I have a technical analysis tab where y'all can share your trades. Hold on, let me put this on the screen up here. We got a technical analysis tab. This guy was very active. He actually just joined back in. He was very, very active and actually calling some good trades. But there was a lot of attention in this specific tab, the technical analysis. So if you guys got some ideas, paste it in here, and I'm going to drive traffic right back here. I'm going to drive traffic back here. Testimonials, if you want to post your good trades, like if you make some money and you screenshot it, post it, brag about it. This is the bragging channel. So I'm going to keep this channel. I'm going to keep this channel. Of course, the NFT chats, we're going to keep this channel. If you guys want to talk about some NFT projects and crypto research, if you guys want to go over some projects, and this is where we can go when we want to learn some things. We'll have the off topic, the gaming chat. It should be cool if anybody wants to get into NFT gaming. That's what we was talking about mostly. Some media, no one really ever got into this. I don't really know if we need the rest of these. We can keep a meme channel, probably get rid of the food channel, probably get rid of the pet channel. And then we have voice channels that we can get into. But yo, this Discord's about to be crazy. It's about to be crazy. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be so lively in there. Trades are going to be going off left and right. You're going to be able to learn from people, different ideas. I'm going to go to my TikTok and bring over the people in there. You guys know I have almost 100,000 followers on the TikTok, and there's a good amount of people that've been asking and begging me to really push the Discord. So I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to have a special section for people that, one that are actually taking trades with me. You know what I mean? Like that want to be in the meat of it. Like maybe a trade copying section, and we can all talk about it and discuss the trades together, where I will go over my bias before I even get into a trade, just for a little more advanced for people that want to be a part of that. But this is going to be, I want to make this the best Discord. I want to make, and I need y'all help. So that means you guys need to join. You need to speak. Say something in there, and I'm going to try my best to speak in there every day. And I want you guys to post your charts. Okay, look at this. Like I'm about to highlight. Okay, let's see. Let's see what Roddy talking about. Let's see what you're talking about. Okay, you said this is the dense short that I'm in right now. Usually wait for the confirmation like a breakout after I enter the retest. Yeah, I do the same thing. I love this. Let me see. But I kind of FOMOed in this one and saw a crazy pump. Okay, so let me see. Hey, we got Hornet here. Let's go. What's going on, Hornet? Do me a favor. Go join the Discord. We're gonna go over that and we're gonna grow this. Okay, so where exactly was your entry? Talk to me about this. And look, guys, if you got your charts and you want to share your stuff, join the Discord. So you got, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, you are in it, aren't you? I think you did join the last time I mentioned it. I think you are in it. Okay, look, if you guys want to post your charts, go do it right here in the technical analysis area. Look, there was a lot. This used to be jumping, y'all. This used to be the spot. People were making money in my Discord. I mean, it wasn't just about, like, this goes up. This list goes up. People were making money in here at one point. And I'm gonna grow this again. I'm gonna make sure that we're all efficient in here. So I like this, and I want you to give more information. Let me see. I like this. Oh yeah, y'all. It's about to go crazy. It's about to go crazy. I'm gonna be posting my wins in there too. Posting my wins in there. Okay, yes, that's what I want to see. Chart it, show me, and type it in, and then we'll go over it. And then when I get off of live on my YouTube, maybe we'll kick it in the Discord for a bit, and we can go live. You can share your screen. That'd be cool. I love to see it in action. That's gonna go up or down. That's trend, right? Wait, see, that's gonna go up or down trend, right? Oh, this right here, I'm expecting this to come down. If that's what you're asking, I'm expecting this to come down. We got one more hour, an hour and 18 minutes before this actually closes out. Man, I'm hungry. I'm wondering if I should order me some flatbread pizza. I mean, I normally like to cook, but again, I came in late. Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. I had delay after delay after delay. I spent all day at the airport yesterday, and I landed. Was tired. Couldn't go to sleep. I wanted to, and then I finally knocked out, and now I'm up doing this. But I would have went live way earlier. Hey, I do that. So I don't eat meat. So my pizzas are normally pineapple, onions, mushrooms, and jalapenos. That's my best pizza right there. All right, let me see your chart. Okay, freaking lovely. Check it out. All right, so we're looking right here at Roddy's chart and the short position that he got into. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. I do like that. I see you got, okay, so this was the retest I see right here. And that's when they retested the trend. So if this line was extended, I can kind of see what you're looking at right there. Boom. And damn, that was a nice entry, bro. That was a crazy entry. Crazy entry. And then you followed trend. I mean, the trend was overall down. Yeah, that's crazy. And you're still currently in this position, right? Are you still in this trade, or did you get out? Like, where's your target? Where's your stop loss, and where's your target? I mean, I'm pretty sure if your stop loss was anywhere up here, I mean, we're well below that. Hey, that was nice. That looked good. My entry is this blue line, and stop loss is the red one. Oh, did I miss that? I completely missed that, didn't I? No, yeah, that's your entry. Okay, where's your take profit? Yeah, I see this as your entry. Where's your take profit? Okay, so this is your stop loss. Okay, cool. Let me see. My targets are the green lines. Oh, right there on this chart. Okay, 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 okay. I get it. So you're expecting it to come down a lot more. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. And I leave 20 of the position open. So I like to do that too. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm going to layer my exit. So let me show you what I'm doing. I mean, right now I put this in place because I wanted to protect myself, but especially when you're in a trade for a longer time, you can layer it. I could either get out all the way right here. So, I mean, one of the ones I want to get some out right here. When we come down here, I want to get some out right here, just in case we bounce off of it and maybe do another retest. I can add to my trade. But if we completely blow through it and we actually, close underneath it, then I'm going to hold it and wait till we come back up and do another retest and add to my position and then ride it down here until we actually, come to my take profits or maybe even just in this general area. But I like to get in. I like to get my trade off before we actually get to the area that I think we're going to go, because there's a lot of people that's probably anticipating that area. After one take profit, I'm going to move my stop loss just above my entry so that I'm risk free. Oh yeah, I do it all the time. I do it all the time. So I'm going to mend my stop loss too. I love it. I love it. I love it, Roddy. That's great. I love it. And I'm interested in seeing more of your trades. So what I'm going to do too is when we go live, I'm going to launch what would be best is to do a Zoom while on my live so we can talk and do it in real time. Time to go to bed. Well, thank you so much for being here. Thank you. I'm also in a beautiful BTC short. Let's go. Let's make some money together. I appreciate you being here on this live. And do me a favor before you leave, like the video if you didn't already. And I appreciate you. I'm gonna stick around for a while. Okay. Stick around. I'm here. I think I'm about to order pizza on my phone though. It'll be quick. Y'all don't ever have to see it, but I'm gonna give me that good old pineapple. What you mean you can't get into the Discord? Uh-oh. Let me see what's going on. What is it saying for you? Let me see who we have new. Enter. What's your name on Discord? Right here. This is you right here, right, Sean? It says you're in here already. What is it doing? So what you got to do is now go down to the channel where we're talking, scroll down to the text area right here, and then go down to technical analysis. This is going to be the spot. It's always the spot that people love. I see Roddy typing right here. Oh, it says message failed. That's kind of odd. Maybe close it and reopen it. I wonder what's going on with it. Hey Roddy, when you close your trade, post your testimonial too. No one's posted that yet, but post it. I'm gonna do the same thing. I want to build that area up. Oh yeah, you're in right there. I see you. Right there. You're right here. Okay, so let me see. Another one picked up a short on Bitcoin today. Stop loss is already in profit. All right. So your entry was this blue. And now your stop loss is right here on this red. Okay. And look at this. So are these your other take profits? This is great. That's great. That's great, bro. I'm loving it. That's great. Post them testimonials, man. We're going to have to show people. And also testimonials are going to help you build. So what I want people to do is I don't want this to be seen as just my Discord. So it's going to grow. It's going to grow rapidly too. It's going to grow in subscribers or in followers, and people are going to want to, listen and watch your trades too. Maybe you see a trade that I don't at a time, and you post your testimonials, bro. If you post that, people get to go back and see what you've done. Like, okay, I see Roddy's in here, closed a lot of good trades. So the next time you're talking and want to present a trade to the group, people are more likely to understand and see what's going on. So don't be shy about posting your wins here. And that's also going to build you. Everybody get to build themselves. Again, it's not all about me. This is called Angry Investors. You know what I mean? I'm an Angry Advisor, but this is Angry Investors. So I made it about us. You know what I'm saying? So if you're joining this, you're becoming an angry investor. But I want you guys to know that this is not just about me. I like to explain why I take trades so people can learn from it. So that's exactly why you need to post your testimonials. You need to, when you do your wins, you need to hop in here. When we do, I'm going to have like little times, and I'm going to announce it on my TikTok and everybody, so everybody can see when I'm going to go live on here, and people can tune in. And like, there was one guy on here that was doing great. I'm telling you, he like took over, and I love to see it. I mean, I don't know if he, ended up making his own, but I know he came back. If we look and scroll up right here, there's Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin Poker 76. He was great, and he took over. I mean, he was in it. He was in it. He was on it. He was doing it. And, he helped a lot of people and was doing that. And he was able to explain. So if we can have this community where we're all helping each other, that's what I want this Discord to be about. I want it to be alive even when I'm not here. And I know that when I had to disappear for a little bit, it kind of, fell short. But if we all, helping each other, it's going to be great. So again, if you guys have wins or your testimonies, don't forget to post it. If you have questions, you got the main chat here. Don't hesitate, speak to people, say hi. And we're going to keep out all the BS, make sure there's no BS. So let's get it. All right, let's see what the trade is doing. All right, let's go to that good old 1 hour. So this 1 hour candle is about to close. Look at this. See, what did I say? There's a good chance we're going to do a retest. Let's see what happens. I mean, we got 8 minutes on this candle. I would love to see this candle close. Yo, I need me some pizza. Let me see. I think it was Domino's that I ordered from that was close. Yep, it certainly was. I just need something to hold me over. A little flatbread. A little small flatbread never hurt anybody. Let me see what sauce is doing. Haven't looked at sauce in a while either. Not bad. Still holding. Still holding. Nothing major. I'm going to be getting more of this too. I'm gonna dive into this again. I always like to check the TVL of Hedera. Let me refresh that. I mean, it's still good. Like a TVL is going up on Hedera as we're in a bear market. So what is this going to look like when we actually start to turn bullish in the market? What is this going to look like? Can you imagine? Like, Saucer Swap is the biggest reason why there's so much money locked into Hedera. Like, Saucer Swap is the biggest reason. I mean, the stater, it says number one, but it's also it's responsible for other chains too. So really, it's Saucer Swap that's holding its own as a native project to Hedera that's locking in value. You can see right here, there's no competition right now across the other dexes. And Sauce is the native token. Y'all, that is so crazy. I mean, Sauce has it has a big deal. It has, it's a big deal with Saucer Swap. It's not, it's more of a utility token than just an exchange token. So with that, and people are able to make money, and there's a lot of different pools around it. So a lot of different liquidity pools where people get to make money in that. When the market starts to turn around and you got people trying to earn yield on their money, they're going to be locking up, and the demand for Sauce is going to go up for any kind of governance and all the other things, which I'm gonna bring up a list for you guys that Sauce actually goes over. It's gonna go crazy, just like Pancake did for Pancake Swap, or what's it called, Cake token for Pancake Swap. That thing went up to like $40. $40. I think in the bull run we'll see Sauce easily hit like man, $2 to $5 off the rip. $2 to $5. I mean, you can literally go back and find this video and quote me on that. I really think it's gonna go that crazy, and then you can stake it right now. You can stake it without worrying about impermanent loss. And impermanent loss occurs when you're actually providing liquidity and the tokens, one of the tokens are moving, and it's you're actually losing some money on the value. You would actually make more money just holding the token versus earning some liquidity because the pairs have to match. It's kind of like more explanation to that, but again, that's a whole nother video. But I mean, people are not thinking about this, you guys. Like, if you had money and you wanted to put it in something, I suggest you do your research. And this is a token that's within the Hedera ecosystem. I feel like I got to sneeze. Man, what was that? Excuse me. But, I mean, no one's talking about this. I mean, of course I do my trades and everything, but I'm still an investor and I'm heavily invested in this. And I know I don't like to show my wallets and everything for this, but just know I hold a decent amount. And it's cheap right now. It's super cheap. It's just 2 cents. And I think it's going to go crazy. People are going to hop on the bandwagon when it finally goes past its first dollar. And then when it gets to its all-time hype and we get like a new blow-off that's going on, that's occurring in the market, a year and a half from now or so, whenever that's going to be, it's going to be like $5 or something crazy. And I'm going to be taking profits on people that's trying to get in, and that sucks because that's not what I want to do. I'm planning on taking my profits already. I'm not wanting to take profits on people's heads. I want to educate as many people as possible before we actually take off. Yes, it's called Sauce. So, I mean, this is Saucer Swap's website. And what I did, okay, they got a new terms of service. And you can literally buy Sauce through here. So if you hold Hedera, you can connect your wallet, and then you can go straight to the exchange, and then you can swap your HBAR for some Sauce. That's one way you can get Sauce. Another way you can get Sauce is you go to MEXC. It's actually listed on. That's the only centralized exchange it's listed on, MEXC, and you'll be able to get it. MEXC, I believe. Is it MEXC? Yeah, that's it right there. And I know it's listed on here too. Trade. Let me see something. Right here. I mean, the chart's like absolutely wild. It's just not enough data right there. The 4 hours where you get all the data. But yeah, look, it's around the same price. 2 cents. So if you wanted to get it on a centralized exchange, you can do that. But what I did was I like buying it on here because I'm holding it in my own wallet. I'm holding it in my Hashpack wallet. I don't want the exchange to custody my crypto. I want to custody my own crypto. So for those that just want an easy way to get in and you want to do it like this, you can. But this is the preferred way. And then you move it to your own wallet and call it a day. You're in charge of it. Your keys, your crypto. So that's why I think decentralized exchanges are the way to go. That's what I always talk about, decentralized exchanges. But y'all, I pulled this up before and I'm gonna pull it up again. Market cap of. I love this website. I think the ledger doesn't support HTS tokens yet. You can hold your HBAR there, but you want to hold it on Hashpack. Hashpack does work with Ledger, but just not for the HTS tokens. Unless something changed. Again, I have to go look at it. But let me see. We got Sauce. So I was doing this. This is what I did. I said, okay, what if we had Sauce make its way up to Cake? And remember, this is the current market cap, not the market cap that it had when it was up at $40. And we looked at this, and I mean, just even if it gets to the market cap of Cake in the bear market, so that means Sauce has to perform as good as Cake is performing in the bear market. So when the bull market is going to be way, way better, by the way. But anyway, if it's performing, if it gets to the market cap that Cake has now, this thing could reach above $1.50. Above $1.50. That's insane. Oh, I have much to learn. Well, I mean, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to be happy to help out. Again, I do want you to do your own research. I don't want to, you know, come off like I'm shilling anything. I'm getting paid by a team or anything to talk about this. This is just what I'm invested in, and I'm just sharing it. But look how crazy this is, y'all. I mean, and I hold a lot of these. Let me tell you, I'm in the hundreds of thousands. I would just say it like that. I hold a lot of these. So this, if we did reach this, this would be absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And it's so freaking cheap right now. God, it's so cheap. It's crazy. I'll go over it more in the Discord. I don't want to do that on live because I don't want to be kicked off of YouTube or anything. So when we get to the Discord, when I get off the live, if you guys want to, want me to go over some tutorials with you and things like that and how to get into things, I'll be happy to help. I'll be very happy to help. But anyway, it's look how crazy this is. And cake at one point was worth $40 freaking dollars. I mean, it went crazy. I mean, let me see something. Pancake swap. All-time high. This is cake. This is cake. Check this out. And then look at the height of it in the height of that bull run around April, like nearing the end of April. $42. Now this thing's back at, what is it at right now? It's like $3. But I mean, let's look at the market cap. Look at the market cap right here. Billions. The market cap was in billions. Now I want you to keep that in mind. Billions right now. The market cap is like what is it? Like it's like it's like half a billion right now. The market cap is half a billion. Now let me just show you just how small Sauce is, so you know how early we are. Let's go back here. We haven't even reached. I don't know why I was glitching like that. We haven't even reached 10 million. And you saw the kind of money that can flow into these things in the bull run. You saw the kind of, like you saw it. I just showed it to you. Do you see how crazy this is? Do you realize this is a baby project? This is a baby. What are we going to say when it reaches its first 10? Like what about when it gets to like 100 million? That's still going to be small. That's very small. Very, very small. And remember, I mean, this ecosystem did not experience a bull run. It did not exist when the bull run occurred. And now I think this next bull run is going to be utility driven. It's almost mandatory with the way, regulation and everything's coming down. People are going to see certain utility tokens explode, and everybody's going to want utility tokens. See, the reason why people hopped on the meme token is because everybody wanted the meme tokens. Everybody wanted quick money. Everybody wants quick money. So what's it going to take is literally one or two utility tokens to explode. People have been talking about utility tokens, and then everybody's going to say, well, I didn't want to miss the boat. So what else is a utility token? They're going to be jumping in. Like as HBAR rises, you best believe, Sauce is going to rise because, I mean, shoot, there's a lot of volume. A lot of the money that's locked into the Hedera ecosystem is on Sauce. It's on Saucer Swap. And then Sauce, people are going to be staking their Sauce for XSauce like they're already doing so they can earn a yield. And as they're earning a yield, that makes the Sauce token even more rare. So as the demand increases and supply is not readily available, the price jumps up astronomically. I mean, crazy. We've seen a glimpse of this market cap jumping in the bear market when they announced single-sided staking. That was just for the staking. So for the people, the small itty-bitty community that knows and that understands what staking is and know that they can earn yield on something they're already holding, that's when that jumped up. What's going to happen when everybody else gets a hold of it? Like, what's going to happen? And I've been talking about it. I made videos about it on my TikTok, or went live, not videos, but I made lives about it. And here I'm on live again talking about it. This is crazy. It's going to go crazy. I started stacking some Sauce, but not sure how often you get rewards. You started staking it. You started staking your Sauce. So you did this. You must have went into how did you do it? You must have went here, connected your wallet, and it tells you. And the rewards are they're random. Look at this. So this is how you receiving. Let me tell you how your rewards are going. I mean, it's random because it's increasing the price of X sauce. So this is how it works. You're not going to get sauce put in your wallet. The value of sauce is going to increase. The value of X sauce is going to increase, which means, or how should I say it? You're gonna one X sauce is going to be worth like more sauce. So like look, this is how it's going. So if you bought 100 sauce, and then the sauce tokens are now those, and you turn into X sauce. When you trade your X sauce back in, you're getting 1.01 instead of just one even sauce back. So you're getting more sauce back for your X sauce than you're getting, or than the actual value of the sauce. So I mean, I'm trying not to confuse it. I'm saying a lot. It's the value of it's how much sauce you're getting in return when you actually turn your tokens in. So it's like an auto compound. You know what I mean? Like it's automatic. It's automatic. It's not something that you need to wait to be deposited back to your account. And then if you want to earn even more money, when the phase 2 launches, you can stake your X sauce. So it being X sauce is already staking, and then you can take your X sauce and stake that. So now you're earning yield on your X sauce by putting it in the pool, because X sauce represents sauce. So now you're like double dipping. So this is already auto compounding because it's already going up in value as you just hold it. All you got to do is hold it. And I mean, so this number is increasing randomly, throughout the day. And then you got this right here. That's going to be even better. And then, when they do the SauceLink NFTs and all that for a boost. So if you have the NFTs, if you were able to get in on the project early, you can use that for a boost. And I'm going to be doing all of these. It's similar to what happened when Stater launched, and Stater was the first staking solution on Hedera before Hedera had their own, before they launched their native staking. So if you already staked this, just hold it. Your X sauce, the longer you hold it, as this increases, you're going to get way more sauce back when you're actually ready to exchange it. And that's how it works. So I'll connect my wallet to Sauce. You'll be connecting your wallet to SaucerSwap. If you have a Hashpack and you already made a Hashpack account, you can connect your wallet and you can get started on that. You can definitely get started on that. I'll go more in detail on my Discord. Again, I don't want any, guideline problems on YouTube. So that's why I'm not saying much, because I don't want it to come off like a shill. I'm not shilling. I'm just talking about something I'm already invested in. Yeah, you'll need a Hashpack. Hashpack is the wallet that I use. Hashpack is a great wallet. You can literally just search Hashpack. You can add it on your computer, and you can add it. If you have an Android, you can download it, and they're coming out with an iOS app. Can't wait. But yeah, this is how you get it. Launch the web app if you're on your computer, and launch the web app if you're on your phone, and then or install it on your Chrome if you're on your computer. Or you got the actual download on the App Store and Android for Android devices. But it's gonna go crazy, you guys. I can't wait till we're having a conversation about that, and I'm like, remember when we had that talk? Look at this. Are we going to get that retest I was talking about? I told you guys. I knew it. New candle. Looks like it wants to run up. We might get that retest. Look at this pivot point. I held it down kind of perfectly. Let's see what's going to happen. Still in some profits, but anyway, y'all, look, I'm going to order this pizza. It's not going to take away from this live, but I don't have to make any calls. I'm going to do it online. I'm starving. I am dying here. Let me see if there's any specialties. I'm going to tell you guys what pizza I'm going to make too. Let me see. Any specials? Forget it. Let me just order now. Oh, this says choose any two. Oh, mix or match. Okay, what's this? We're going to do delivery, of course. Okay, we got another viewer in here. Let's go, y'all. I got 5 likes on this live, by the way. I got 5 likes on this live. I love y'all. I appreciate it. I got 5 likes. I'm happy about that. I'm genuinely happy about that. Look, when I first made my TikTok, I was only getting like maybe 5 to 10 views. Then it finally went up to like getting 100 views. Y'all don't know how happy I was. I'm jumping up and down. I'm like, look, y'all, I got 100 views on this thing. And then when I got my first 1,000 followers, that was April of last year. Got my first 1,000 followers. I was like, thank you guys so much. But it's crazy. I wish my TikTok was around before because my TikTok blew up in like towards the end of the the bull market. So I really, really wish that people was around, before then, because I was trying to put people on. I was trying my best to help people, and then we already started, making our way back down. So, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, so let me see real quick. We got some pizza. What do I want, you guys? What do I want? Do I want? Okay. All right. I got my one. Take profit on dent trade. Nice. Nice. Post it. Post it on the Discord, bro. Roddy, post that. Post it in the testimonials. Screenshot it and post it. Do you have to turn sauce back to H bar to cash out? I'm thinking ahead here. No. I mean, you can literally. So let's say you got sauce and you had X sauce. You can then take your X sauce and swap it back to sauce. And then you can take your sauce and go from sauce to USDC if you want to, and cash out that way. So you can go straight into USDC if you want to like hold it in a stable coin. I mean, this is an exchange. It's a decentralized exchange. You can swap pretty much anything as long as there's a pair for it. I wonder if they got X sauce to. Let me see something. I don't think they have they got X sauce to. Let me see. Yeah, they even have a pool for this. So you can go straight from X sauce onto USDC. I wouldn't do it that way though. I would go from sauce to the whole thing is you want to build up. The whole thing is you want to build up your you want to stake it. You want to compound it because you're not looking to take profits anytime soon. I mean, the market hasn't moved. But once the market moves, you were just sitting there gaining that APY, you know what I'm saying? Just building that yield. So, I mean, when the time comes, I'm pretty sure you're going to see, these pools increase, liquidity is going to increase, everything, and it'll be ready for you. It will be ready when you're ready to take profits. Yeah, you can post a percentage if you want to. Just make sure it's detailed so people can know. When you post it, Roddy, just like what I do is I screenshot, I put a little bit of arrows, like depending on what you're using and and what your chart allows you to do, I'll type a little bit of things on the screen, and I'll type in how much money I made from it or something. However transparent you want to be. Again, I don't want to, you don't have to be forceful. I don't want to be forceful with it or make you seem like I'm, forcing you to do it. I just want you to post out like this looks good. This looks good. Post it in the testimonials and post it in here. And post it with your chart. Look at this. Like this looks great. Like this, the way you're doing it, this is perfect. The way you're doing this, you're doing this perfect. I love this. It's easy to see. It's easy to understand. So this was the Bitcoin trade. What time frame was this on? 30 minutes? Wonderful. That looks wonderful. That was a no-brainer. If you guys are in this live and you guys are not part of this Discord, join it. Join it. I'm telling you, it's about to get crazy in here. It's about to get live. Join it. You got Look, you see people make. Look at the wins. That was great. You're on Bybit. I'm on Femix, but it's great. Anyway, y'all, hold on. I was almost done ordering this pizza. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna put on it. Okay, so and okay, so I'm gonna do a pizza, thin crust. Let's go. Let's put some extra cheese on there. All right, listen, guys, I'm putting jalapenos, onions, banana peppers, pineapple. I think that sounds good. Do I want to put mushrooms on this one? No, I'm gonna leave the mushrooms out on this one. And I think that was cool. And add to order. And then maybe check out a salad on this. I know. Let's look at some charts while I'm doing this, you guys. You don't understand how hungry I am. You don't understand. Let me see. And we're gonna add cheese, shredded Parmesan, jalapenos. Let's take off the shredded Parmesan. And let's add. Should we do mushroom? Yeah. Okay. Looks good, you guys. This is going to be so freaking good. All right. Do I want to add another item? No, this is perfect. Done. And I don't drink soda. Don't need any of that. And I do want to get a sauce, mango habanero. Let's add that to order. And that's it. Check out. See what's the damage? What is the damage? Okay, this is great. All right, you guys. See, I'm going to give me a nice little pizza. I'm happy about that. And no, I don't want the breads. You see, this is where they get you. When at the end, they're like, hey, do you want this? Do you want that? Do you want... No. I just want what I put. And this coupon just saved me $9. So I'm happy with that. All right. Make sure I got the address right. Boom. All right. Hold on. Let me go get my wallet. Okay. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. So what is everybody doing right now? What y'all doing? I got 6 consistent watchers. Probably 5 actually, because I'm using one of these to track myself. So 5 actually. I wonder what y'all up to. Y'all just watch me order some pizza. Okay, let me make sure the address is good. Oh man, why did I do that? Okay. How y'all doing? What is a testnet account on signing up with HBAR? So a testnet is, it's just where they go to test things before they release it to the main network. So projects usually start off there and make sure they're working properly, and then once everything's good and they transition over to the main net, it's launched and available to it's available to the public. You don't necessarily need to worry about making a testnet account unless you want to, test out projects. If there's a project you believe in and they're going to the testnet and you want to test it out. Like I was testing the saucer swap before they launched. and it was great. Found out I was doing some bug squashing. Let's see, check out. Man, I gotta clear my throat. No problem. You know, I talk a lot, so you ask me a question, I'm gonna get to going. All right, so okay. Yeah. Anytime. Okay. Taxes. Okay, let's go. I'm ready to pay. Take my money. It's probably gonna take an hour to get here, but it's okay. I'm patient. I'm about to eat pizza anyway, so what I should do is I don't know, some jumping jacks or something. Get my body ready to consume all that. I'm listening, so yeah, keep talking, teach. Will do. All right, let me see. No email offers. That's where they get you, y'all. Here. All right. Oh, I could do this. I'll try to do that. Man, I'm getting a whole bunch of calls. Okay, we're gonna choose this card. Man, that was crazy. How come I didn't pay? Okay, this one. Perfect. We in there, y'all. We in there. Pizza's arriving. All right, sorry about that. Man's gotta eat. All right. Let me see. This reminds me of XLP making the deal while playing. wait. XLP making the deal while playing his game online. Who's XLP? Put me on. Teach me something. Yo, I had to order something. Oh, for sure. No, it's more than jet lag too. Let me tell you why. I spent almost a whole day at the airport. I don't even want to see an airport for a while. They delayed my flight like 6 hours, and they did it hour by hour, so it made you stay. Like if they would just did that giant leap, like hey, 6 hour delay or something. I think it was more than 6 hours actually. It ended up being more. Then I would have just went somewhere, but nah, they trapped me. The next hour they're like, oh, we're delaying it again. Then the next hour, oh, we're delaying it again. Oh, now we're delaying it again. Now we're delaying it again. I'm like, give me a break. Oh, you saying XRP? This reminds me of XRP. Okay, making a deal while playing this game. Oh, the crypto that went down. Sorry, XRP. Got it. No, I was just asking. Just wanted to know, make sure. I mean, hey, if there's something I need to know about, I don't know everything. And what's going to happen in this daily? This daily ends in 37 minutes. I might end live when I get my food and then possibly go back live a little later tonight. I'm contemplating on that right now. I've been live for 78 minutes, which is great for me. I'm happy. I do have a couple of calls I need to tend to and some work I need to do. So probably it'll be best if when my food arrive, I'll get off live, and then we'll come back on live and check back in. I will still have my Discord open though, so I'll be able to see whatever you guys type. Hey, you got the first testimonial. Let's go. Showing some support. I go, okay, let me see. Crazy pump. This usually leads to a sell-off. True. And then after pump, then started a little downtrend. Okay, saw some correction. Okay, let's go. Entered. Nice. Compression got broken. Nice. This is perfect. This is damn good. This is good. This looks good. I like it. I love your strategy. It looks great. This is great. Yeah, keep up the good trades. This is fire. Let's go. All right, let me see. Stop along. Oh, I just added token stage bar. Yeah, the chart was great. That was from Roddy. The first and only testimony we got here, and this is a good trade. Great example. It's something to learn from. The Discord's gonna have a lot of goodies in there. Okay, let me see. Just add tokens to the H. I mean, okay. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. The Hashpack wallet has an on ramp, so you can buy tokens straight from MoonPay. Actually, I think there's two of them. There's two on ramps, but you can buy USDC if you want to just to represent a dollar, or you can buy HBAR. Either can be used to buy sauce. So whatever you buy on there, you have the money going there, or you can buy it on another exchange, a centralized exchange, and send it over to your wallet, however you want to do it. But yeah, you got options. You got options. Oh, for sure. Yeah, yeah. I love that. I love that. Again, I don't think I'm just the absolute best trader in the world. I'm profitable in my trades, and I love to share, what I'm doing to make that happen. But there's a lot of good people. A lot of good people. Yeah, Coinbase is one of them. You can buy HBAR on Coinbase, and then you can send it over to your wallet. There's a couple of ways, a couple of different things you can do. You too, bro. Don't get me wrong. No, I appreciate that. Appreciate it. Man, I'm getting 1,000 calls coming in. Oh, I see why. Yes. I'll call in a second. See, this is the thing we're going live. Okay. Where things real new to this, so thanks for understanding. Oh yeah, I mean, I love to help new people. So, and yes, it does take a village. You know what I'm saying? But if we all come together and make it right, we can be the winning group. Like I've seen a whole bunch of. I've been in different discords and seen just seen communities that are dysfunctional and all stuck, losing money together, and they're not. There's no, real motion. They don't have any real motion to actually grow together, and it kind of sucks. They're just kind of ripping each other off. This is not that. I don't want this to turn into that. I'm going to go to sleep now. Enjoy your pizza. Hey, thank you so much, Roddy. Thanks for being here. Thank you. Get you some rest. Enjoy your rest. Yeah, the winning. I mean, we're starting off so small. This is how you know when a group has some real steam, or when a community has some real motion. It's going to start off very, very slow, but it's going to be very engaging. And even though like I've only been averaging around, 6, maybe max 8 viewers on this stream, the engagement is real. The engagement is real. So imagine if I was just one of those ones that's, talking about pumps and just I guess doing the exciting stuff. I get a lot of people, but a lot of people would just be hurt. It'll be toxic. No one's going to be learning anything. And usually only one person is benefiting or profiting from that. Not once did I ever ask you guys to, throw money at me or anything of that nature. I mean, it's not about that. It's about us growing together. Not once have I, try to stump out someone else's spotlight. I never did that. I'm not into I want everybody to shine here. We got a platform together. Excuse me. I really need some water. I really, really, really need some water. Give me a second. I'm going to go get some water. All right. Now I can talk. Oh, man. So look, another thing that we should do is if you know people in real life, that are interested, that want to get in, and you find it beneficial and you want to benefit others, you can recommend them. You know what I mean? It's not really recommending just for me. It's recommending for other like minds and people that can grow. And I mean, who knows what to come? Who knows what's going to come from it? We never know who's going to actually enter. Tomorrow, somebody else can come in and provide so much value to the space and to our community. It'd be crazy. But we got to grow it together. Like if you want to support, you can go on my TikTok and share. Like share it. You can tell people, hey, no, follow this dude. He knows what he's talking about. Whatever. Hey, join his Discord with me. There's some trade ideas, and maybe you think somebody got some knowledge. Hey, you should share that in this community I'm a part of. Like everybody, if everybody works together to build this community and find the like minds, we will have a really, really strong community, and we'll all be winning together. Because I'll tell you, my goal is I'm transparent with everything I'm doing. So if I'm winning, that's an opportunity for you to win too. If there's a spot where I'm losing, but let's say someone else is doing better, I can learn from that. We can learn from that. It's so great. And I don't care if it starts off slow. I don't care if there's only 10 people. It's going to grow. And once it does, it's 10 solid people. And it's going to turn into 20 solid people. 30, 40, 50, it's going to grow. And it's going to be solid people, like minds. And we're going to weed out all the bad actors, the people that are in here, just for their own profits. Weed them out and continue to do what we're doing. Well, I'm glad that you're learning. I appreciate that, Sean. That means a lot. I mean, that's what I'm here for. I've always told myself too, even if just one person has learned something from me, that makes me happy. So I'm definitely appreciative of that. Definitely appreciative. I'm gonna leave these videos up. This live, you'll be able to go back and go through it. I think it's important. Let me see what they're talking about on that pizza. I just ordered it and I'm over here worried about the pizza. Oh, they're baking. They're baking my order, y'all. They're baking my order. I'm looking forward to that first bite. Look at this. I'm telling you, we got some more downside to come. I might increase my position right here. See, when this happened, came down, we did a retest, and then came down here. That's what made me get into that. Then it kind of wound up here, got rejected. I mean, I think it might even come way up here to do a retest, but I might increase my order a little bit right here. You see this little slider? This determines how much I'm going to increase my order by. I might just do, like about this much. I'm waiting. I'm watching. And this is on the 1 hour, so once we get up there, I'm gonna zoom in and see and spot my entry. See what's going on. What name do you go by? As far as what? So I mean, people call me Angry Advisor. Some people call me. I mean, I have a lot of different nicknames because I do a lot of different things. I'm also in the music industry, and on the whole music side, nobody even knows about Angry Advisor. I want to tell them, but they're not. Everybody, really, the public right now thinks crypto is a scam, and it sucks because it's not. It's just that there's a lot of bad actors out there right now because the space is unregulated. But anyway, in the music side, I go by Dom, but you can just call me AA or Angry. Everybody just calls me Angry, to be honest with you. Double A works though. So I bought an NFT, and I made a song with it, and my NFT refers to me as Double A. Yeah, AA or Dom, either works, but or Angry. But do you want to? Should I play my NFT song? You know what? I'm gonna do that on another live. I'm not even gonna do that on this live. I'm gonna actually upload it to this YouTube. I'm gonna move it over. But I decided to turn my NFT into a music star. And it was my H-Bar NFT on Hangry Barboons. And I made a song about sauce. Just you know, having fun. Just because that's what I mean. I got music equipment here. Why not? But I mean, it has, let me see. I wonder how many views it has. It was just been sitting there. 4288. I got 34 subscribers on here. It's going. Let me see. Okay, this one has 311 views. Okay. So this is my NFT right here. People are loving it. Even Salsa Swap commented on it. Yay, that made me so happy. That's true. That's true. Not to venture, not to gain. Look at this. People were liking this. I mean, it got some decent interaction. It has more interaction than what's on my actual, you know, YouTube, than my actual channel that we're on now. I mean, my highest interaction is probably like 70 views or something. But look, I make the music, I make the beat, and then, of course, I'm the voice for this NFT. But this is what the NFT looks like. And I named him 4288 because that's his serial number. So I named him after his serial number. But here, I'll play it for you a little. Let me see. You let me know what you think about it. I got the sauce, yeah, bought some more sauce today. When the market come down, ain't nobody taking my sauce away. I got the sauce, yeah, and I'm about the DCA. Yeah, you know that I'm here to stay. I got the sauce, yeah, bought some more sauce today. When the market come down, ain't nobody taking my sauce away. I got the sauce, yeah, and I'm about the DCA. Yeah, you know that I'm here to stay. I got the sauce.
Yeah, I got the sauce. I'ma keep stacking no matter the cost. You said that you're losing, well, how can that be? Your hands made of paper to sell at a loss. I ape in the market, but I'm a barboon. I'm here for a while, not here when we moon. My bag getting bigger and bigger and bigger, like I got an elephant locked in the room. Who about to sell all that H-ball?
Not me.
Who about to fumble they bag?
Not me.
I don't got time to play. I'ma just DCA. You gonna wish that you had
High key.
I made on Hadera, you made on the rug pull. I'm buying the dips and left you with a handful. 4288 here for the throne. I'm coming in hot, I stay in my zone.
I got the sauce, yeah, bought some more sauce today. When the market come down, ain't nobody taking my sauce away. I got the sauce, yeah, and I'm about the DCA. Yeah, you know that I'm here to stay. I got the sauce, yeah, bought some more sauce today. When the market come down, ain't nobody taking my sauce away. I got the sauce, yeah, and I'm about the DCA. Yeah, you know that I'm here to stay. I got the sauce. Hi, I just received a call.
Dominic did it.
Yes.